President William Ruto ni waweta kana Silikali yake niyiendeeye kulumiilya uumwe vamwe na Kutwaiisya maendeeo waweta ndi Akenya mustalini wa mbee kwa ajili ya Akenya mathayo aineeena kyathi cha miongo 63 cha Kutania ila Kenya yekwatiie uthasyo kana Madaraka Day kyathi kila kyatwaiiwa kuya kauntini ya Wajir. Ruto niwaendeea kwikuna kithoi kumana na maendeeo ala wikite mevo kwa ile movia wa witi unguasha kwa ile movia wa nima wa kisomo kwivo kuandika alimu aingi aikathia walani wa waki wa nyumba cia thowa uvikika ni mwenendi mwaka mwao no kutwaiisya mauvo maitu.
President William Ruto umuthi niwatongoesya Kenya Kutania mautanu ma miongo 33 ma sikuku ya Madaraka mautanu ala matwaiiwa kauntini ya Wajir. President ayosa ivuso ya kutalania amwe ma maendeeo ala Silikali yake yikite kwa enenthi miaka inaitina wake kuosa kivila cha kutongoesya nthi ya Kenya.
With a 750-kilometer northern Kenya gateway corridor linking Isiolo, Wajir and Mandera, we are undertaking the most significant and consequential road investment in this region since independence, and connecting communities that were once isolated from markets, from investment, from development, essential services and economic opportunity.
Aineeena na wanda President Ruto ni watalania mwa matambia makwailya kisomo maundu mawiti kusovya mawia na nyumba cia thowa munini na ala Silikali yake yosete aiweta kana milati no ni kwailya mathayo maenenthi.
Of the 31.5 million Kenyans registered with the Social Health Authority, about 800,000 are residents of Wajir, Garissa and Madaraka counties, representing one of the most significant expansions of healthcare inclusion since independence. Investing in Jitume digital hubs, ICT centers, digital skills programs, and digital infrastructure so that a young person in Wajir can compete with any person in Kenya and globally. More than 2,500 youth across all 30 counties of Wajir County have benefited from the Nyota program through business support, capital, training, and mentorship. Across Wajir, Garissa, and Mandera counties, more than 7,200 young people are beneficiaries.
President Ruto nthini wa uneni wake ni waendeea kulota mauniko ma waki wa nyumba cia thowa munini isio ni mbingi vanthi ya Kenya uumwe na kunaikisya enenthi stima iweta kana muika ni makwatite mawia kwisila milatini ino.
Through our affordable housing program, we have invested 15.6 billion shillings in the development of 4,600 housing units, including markets and including hostels, which are at various stages of procurement and construction. This is the largest housing development Wajir has witnessed since independence. These projects are creating jobs for our young people and generating opportunities for local enterprises.
President Ruto ni walulumiilya utongoesya wake no kuendeea kuete enenthi vamwe vate ivathukanio cia uumwe wo na kukilya mikalile yo vate kumavathula.
Madaraka belonged, still belongs, and will forever belong equally to every single Kenyan. We know that inclusion does not end with recognition. It must be reflected in people's daily lives, in the education of their children, the health that they access, the opportunities available to their young people, and the roads they travel on.
Sikuku ya mwaka huu ya Madaraka yatwaiiwa kauntini ya Wajir kwa ila ya mbee na vala yaete vamwe yatongoesya ma Silikali nene yatongoesya kuma kauntini kivathukanio uumwe na enenthi. Nilivotia vilingi ya movone cha mwaka mweu.